Tonight could be the night. The Knicks are currently in San Antonio for Game 5 of the NBA Finals. They're leading the series 3-1, and if they win tonight, New York gets its first championship since 1973. Over 50 years ago, they didn't even have the internet back then. I honestly have no idea what's going to happen tonight, but you can already feel the energy out here. It's only 7:13 p.m. The game hasn't even started yet. So viewer discretion advised, probably. This video is completely unscripted, and it's probably going to be edited really fast. But if the Knicks pull this off, I'm going to try to document everything that I see and come across in these streets of New York City, because it's going to be absolutely insane and historic. And as if that wasn't enough, the World Cup is happening at the same time, with Brazil versus Morocco taking place just across the river at MetLife Stadium. SpaceX just IPO'd, Elon Musk just became a trillionaire. There is no doubt in my mind that we're going to witness some craziness tonight.
Knicks in 5, you know what it is.
Come back now, $5,000 prices, they gon' come back now.
Am I able to get a photo of you guys?
You're a photographer.
Well, if it isn't obvious, the Brazil and Moroccan game ended up in a tie, and the Knicks play in about 15 minutes.
Corners get cleared, guys. You can't hang out. Let's go. Everybody's got to go, guys. Let's go. Hey guys, you gotta go across the street though, and then clear out of here. This is street though.
From here is on.
First quarter just ended. Spurs are up 26-13. The NYPD are blocking every single intersection. It's impossible to move around. Everyone's like cattle, just kind of being directed a certain way. Taking a break for now, see where all the action is later. Does it open up at 42nd Street?
I believe it's supposed to.
Check this out. Two and a half minutes left. So viewer discretion advised, probably.
Knicks in fucking fire!
Stand on the fucking tax.